Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to move all liked songs to a playlist on Spotify. Want to add all your liked songs into one playlist without the hassle of moving them one by one? Here's how. On desktop, it's super easy. Open your liked songs, then press Ctrl plus A. On Windows or Command, plus A on Mac to select everything. Once highlighted, just drag or copy them into a new playlist, and that's it. If you're on mobile, log into the Spotify and use the Save to Spotify option through supported third-party tools. This will automatically place your entire collection into a playlist. And if you prefer the desktop route again, you can drag everything into an existing playlist too, making sure your favorite tracks are all organized in one place for easy listening. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.